Want to know the 4 ways that chatbots can help you grow your business? Watch this and find out. Hey there, my name is Brian Bagdasarian. I am the conversational strategist and inbound professor for all things conversational here at HubSpot Academy. And today we are talking about the 4 ways that you can use chatbots to help grow your business. Before we get too far along, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below so that you know when we put out more videos just like this one, as well as certifications, trainings, courses, and all kinds of fun stuff from the team here at HubSpot Academy. Go ahead, also give me a little thumbs up if you're liking this so far, thumbs down if you're not. And down in the comments below, here is my first question for you. How are you using chatbots in your business now, or are you thinking about using them in the near future? So let's get going. The 4 types of ways that you can use a chatbot to help you grow your business. Number 1, you can use a chatbot to help answer common questions, or as we in the industry call it, FAQs. Frequently asked questions are a phenomenal place to start using a chatbot. The reason why: these questions don't really have answers that change, but they probably get asked, you guessed it, frequently. Because we can use a chatbot in this way, we don't have to have a person involved in this part of the process, and we can then allow them to be doing what you pay them to do, use their brains. So frequently asked questions is the first way that a chatbot can be used to help you grow your business by recapturing that little bit of time and giving it back to your team, who probably have better things to do than just answer the same questions over and over and over again. The second way that you can use a chatbot to help grow your business in the next few days here is to use it to qualify, and I stress the word qualify, leads. You're probably already using things like forms and that sort of thing to generate leads, but we're talking about instead qualifying leads. When we qualify a lead, we don't just capture the minimal amount of information to reach back out to them. We actually want to make sure that they're a good fit for us. In order to do this, we need to engage them in conversation, but that conversation probably isn't always going to end up resulting in a good connection, a good fit for that person and your business. How do we get this time back? Remember, it's really all about time at the end of the day. We can build a chatbot that can actually qualify the lead. How do we do this? Well, I'm going to do that in a different video, but to give you a sort of a hint, we're able to craft a conversation that feels natural and human, but we're going to be able to do it automatically, and we're going to lead them through the process of giving us the information we need while also helping them learn about you and your business. So when we qualify a lead, we know that this lead is actually valuable to us and not just a tire kicker or somebody that just wants to have a little bit of information but really has either no intent of buying or working with us, or if it's just not the right time for them. Both of those would be examples of leads that probably aren't qualified. Instead, you want to be dealing with only the ones that have the highest likelihood of closing, and that's what we can do when we use a chatbot to help qualify, not just generate our leads. The third way that we can use chatbots to help grow your business right now is this. You can use them to create tickets and head off possible customer service issues. If you have a knowledge base and there's an article, you can have a special chatbot that lives on that knowledge base article that can ask if you need any more help and get you to the right person if they need to actually speak to a live person. They can also offer to email over more information, provide a PDF or a video walkthrough, all kinds of ways that you can add value, but at the same time, still not take up the time of your human team. We want to start to think about chatbots as virtual employees rather than just a tool that we use. So we want to create them to be helpful. We want them to create them to help us be able to do things like answer these questions, guide people in the right direction, and in a worst case scenario, you can even easily build a chatbot that can integrate in with your ticket system and create those help desk tickets automatically. No people required, and it's going to get through faster, and the person on the other end that needs the help is going to feel like they were taken care of and their time wasn't wasted. So here's my question for you in the middle of this. Are any of these making sense? What questions are you having in your mind that you're thinking about when you're thinking about using a chatbot to help grow your business? Put them down there below in the comments, and we're going to get to number 4 in ways that a chatbot can help you grow your business. Number 4 is this. It's called follow-up. It's something that we always want to have happen. If somebody came to your site on Monday, let's say they asked some questions, they submitted some information, when they come back maybe the following Monday, you can actually continue the same conversation. You can say, hey there, welcome back. How did that work out for you? Did you have any other questions? By the way, I actually have a new article that you may be interested in. Turns out people enjoy discovering content conversationally, and a chatbot is a fantastic and easy way to do that. So there you have it. 4 ways that a chatbot can help you grow your business in the next 7 days. You can start building this stuff today using things like HubSpot's Conversations and their bot tool, or other ones. If you want to be on Facebook, check out ManyChat. They're also fantastic. There's a number of tools out there. It doesn't matter. These 4 ways that we just showed you are all going to help you grow your business using the power of chatbots. If you've liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And down in the comments, leave any thoughts or questions you have, and I will get to them, and I may even include it in a future video. Until then, go out there, start thinking about how chatbots and conversations can help your business grow, thrive, and get better. And again, don't forget to click the link down below and check out the other things we have going on over at HubSpot Academy. That's all for now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to know when new videos come out. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's @RealBrianBags. To know more about HubSpot Academy, click this link right here to watch the next video. That link right there. Leave your questions and comments down below. Go build chatbots, think conversationally, and we'll talk soon.